Hey, what's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics. I've asked the one and only Mr. Too Good. I'm back again with another one. So today, guys, we're checking GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY, guys. Before we start, guys, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button so that you can know when the boy drops another one. So let's go straight into it, guys. So we're checking this GBP, JPY, guys, and it's very, very interesting. So we have this ascending channel that we're going to identify now, which is this one here, all right? So we have this channel, all right? So we can clearly see we have the first touch here, the second and the third touch. So the market is currently going down. The overall of GBP, JPY, it's sell, right? It's going down. So we expect the market to push as far as to this point here. Understand? So what we're expecting now, let's go to the close. Let's zoom in and see what's happening. Closely and see what's happening there closely. So guys, we have this one, right? We have this major zone here that we're gonna identify, which is this one. Right. This one is a strong zone, guys, because when you see here, the market tend to a resistance here. If you check the market, broke the structure, tend to what? Tend to a support. This zone was a resistance before the market came here. It rejected, became a resistance, right? It broke out, came back here, and it turned to a support. And then you say this area is what? It's a strong zone or a strong area. It makes it what? A strong area. So whenever the market comes back here, you're in your mind, you are saying the market is gonna push up. When the market decide to break this strong area, in your mind, just know that the market must come back here and go down. That's what you should know. You understand? Because the most important thing that you need to know in forex trading is that where do I buy? Where do I sell? What is a strong zone? What is a strong area? If you know those things, then it's gonna be easier for you guys. Do you understand? You know that on a support, I buy. So when the market comes back to this area, you expect a buy. Do you understand that? And then if the market doesn't buy, it's fine. It's part of the losses. Understand? If the market decides, no, I'm not gonna do that, it breaks, then you're gonna wait for a retest. So currently the market is coming back to this area because you can clearly see the market has not retested this area on a daily time frame. Do you understand? So the market now is trying to come back to retest this area so that it can continue with the movement. And you can see how far we're going. Right. So we expect the market to come to this area, retest the zone, and then continue with the movement and go down. Something like this. Right. So let's go to H4. Let's go to H4. So on H4, it gets a bit interesting, guys. Right. So as you can see here, we have this channel. We call it what? A continuation pattern, guys. It continues what? The direction of the market, actually. You understand? So as you can see here, guys, we have this one here. Right. We have the first touch, second touch, third touch, already it's a third touch here. But the market is continuing to go up. Do you understand? And then we assume that the market it wants, because the market, guys, it needs a strong area to get that momentum. Do you understand? Even if it can touch make it third touch, but there must be in that third touch, there must be also a sort of push. Do you understand? So the only area that is so powerful is this one. As you can see already, it's a first touch, second touch, then a third touch. Do you see? And what we do is that the market must go down. You understand? But now, what the market does is that it's going up again. Do you understand? But on the third touch, it did go down. But now it's going up. So then now we are saying, no, the market is still searching for a zone that has more power. Right. So that it can take control. So let's go a little closer here. So as you can see here, guys, the market, like I said, guys, when the market is going down and it creates a double bottom, the market changes what? It changes directions. So now we can clearly see the market just changed direction going up. And now we can clearly see here, we also have a double bottom here, which you can see it here. You understand? So we have this double bottom W pattern. Now, meaning we are pushing up to that zone. And then, mind, how are we going to take this? So we're going to put, because this one, it's a strong area. We need to identify it like this. Very, very simple, guys. You keep it's simplicity. You don't need all these things that they are busy teaching you, guys. A lot of nonsense, right, guys? A lot of words. The market must what? Well, guys. Simple. Just know the strong areas. And you know, if you have something like this, you are likely to sell the market here. But you have information that no, it just created a double what? A double bottom, meaning the market, highly chances of the market to break are very high. I said the percentage of the market to break here is very, very high. Do you understand? Then the market to come here and go down. You understand why? Because it created what? A double bottom. Do you understand that? So, since it's a strong area, wait for the market to break and take retest. After retest, you buy the market to this area. After it reaches this area, you wait for a confirmation of a sell, then you continue with the movement. Right. Let's say, what if the market just come here? Then wait for what? Wait for a confirmation of a candlestick. You understand? A bearish candlestick. Yeah, we have a lot of candlestick. If you want to learn more about that, guys, I have the mentorship. I can teach you these things, right? You must find a shooting star, a rejection candlestick. They are dead, engulfing. Do you understand? And then you can take a sell. It can sell here. It's possible. It can sell because it is a strong area. But the reason why I'm saying when it reaches to this area now, it won't sell is because we have this pattern. And we know after we form a W pattern or a double top, the market will just push up. That is why I'm saying this area, it might not respect it in terms of sell. Do you understand that? So yeah. So this is what we're waiting for, guys. So you can take your trade after the market breaks and retest, right? After retest, you take it here, take a buy, and then you sell the market. And look how beautiful you're gonna be profitable. Let's put it like this. So me too, I'm gonna be waiting for it, guys. It's very, very profitable. It seems like we're gonna make money on this one. So let's just wait for the market to break this zone so that you can see if it's gonna continue to go up. But if it doesn't, then it's fine. That means it's gonna push down. Then we're gonna see a confirmation of a sell. But now it's showing that buyers are in control. Do you understand? So we're gonna follow that. So we're gonna wait for the market to break this zone, retest, take a trade, the buy here, then you take a sell, then we go down. So now let's go to another one. So guys, we have gold. So if you have been saw the last video that I made last week, go and check it out, guys. Everything went accordingly, guys. Everything went accordingly. So what is happening? Sorry, guys, I just lost this there. Don't know what's happening there. All right. So we had gold, right? As you can see here, guys, we have an ascending channel. The market is going up. Gold is pushing up and is pushing up very, very hard, guys. Very, very hard. I say to you guys, go and check the video, guys. Gold last week. So the market touched there, the first touch here, second touch, and then we're waiting for a third touch in this area. And then we're gonna push down, right, like this to complete what the 90% roll. Right. So let's go to this structure because now we are here. So last week I told you guys that the market is gonna buy from this zone. Remember, we have the first touch, second touch, and then we have the third touch here. And I said we're gonna wait for confirmation, but it was a bit tricky because the market touched here, it was CPI. So it didn't touch the way I wanted it to touch. It was here like this. Then I said, no, the market is supposed to touch the trend line, right? And then this is the weekly that it made, the week that it made on CPI, all right? Because the rejection it just went down so fast and then went up again. You understand? So we were able to take the trade. We were able to take the trade here on this area because the market broke this structure here. Because I mean, guys, I use my rules. I don't do things out of emotions. So I couldn't take the market, but I said the market is gonna buy here, and it did bought, right? But I couldn't take it because CPI, it was so fast to a point that I couldn't take it from here, but I was able to buy it from here because I understand that when the market breaks a strong area like this one, the market will push up and come back retest. Then I took it here. Then I was expecting the market, right, to come to this area here. Do you see? This is a strong area. The market went up, touched again, broke out, retested. So this is our strong zone. So I was expecting the market here to push up and actually come back here to retest, and then we can take it. But it didn't do that. So I waited for it to actually, okay, then if it breaks this one, then I'm going to take it here. Then I took it, and then I'm in profit. So I'm going to hold it until here. This is going to be my TP, first TP, this one. If it eventually break, then this one's gonna be my second TP. You understand, guys? So just because you missed it here, that is why, guys, you end up having FOMO. The fear of missing out. I didn't take it here, then you want to take trade. No, follow your rules. You know, if a market breaks a strong zone, it must retest. If the market doesn't retest, it's fine. Don't rush the market. Wait for the market to retest that zone and then take a trade. Right now, I took the trade here. I'm in profit. Do you understand? I'm in profit. I didn't panic when the market didn't give me my entry here and it went up, it went up. I didn't panic. I just, okay, the market is going to retest at the end of the day. Right. So what are we waiting for here? Let's remove this. I'm just trying to encourage you guys to follow your rules. Don't panic when the market is going up with that, where you missed that thing. No. There was no way we were going to take a trade here with CPI. It was too fast. That is why I don't like news. But then you can see here the market created this, right? This pattern, meaning we are going up. You understand? And the market already retested this level. Retested this level. And then meaning from here, we're pushing up to there. Right. So let's go to H1 and see how can you take point, because now we know that the market is going up. We know that. Already, we know that the market is going up. It's a matter of getting now what an entry. So another thing, guys, that I need to clarify: you buy where there's you buy the market where there's support. You sell the market where there's resistance. If there's no resistance and there's no support, don't take a trade. Do you understand that? So you buy on a support, you sell on a resistance. So let's check here because you want to buy the market. Do we have the first thing that you ask yourself a question is that, do I have a support? Do you understand? That I can buy the market for. Do you understand? So in this case, the only support that we have now is this one. We have this support. Do you understand? This one. Likely the market can come back here if it wants to, and then continue to push up, creating what? A double bottom. Right. Let's check. We see that the market has already broken this area here. So you see this level, which is wrong. I want to put it in here. This level here. Yes. Yeah. So we can clearly see this level. This level, the market it went down again. The market came back here, it went down again. So it makes it what? A strong resistance. But now, because the market has broken the structure, it's no longer a resistance. It's what? It's a support. So now we can say we have a support where we can buy the market. And then the support is this one. Do you understand that? Is this one. So we're waiting for what? We're waiting for the market to actually push down here so that we can take a trade. Let's put it in the right place. Yes. So that now we can take a trade and go up. Right, guys? So this is what we're gonna. So now if in the market it might push up from here, let's say push up from here, and then after that, maybe come down again with a clear retest, right? And then push up. Then that's where you're gonna take the market. Because I don't like the 15 minutes time frame on gold, guys. It's dangerous because it can say I can tell you that the market is already retested, but no, because mind you, we have this 1 hour time frame here. As you can see, it's going down, right? But I don't like this kind of retest. You want something like most like this. Do you understand? Something just like this. So let's wait for the market to push maybe a little bit up to come back again to the structure to give us a proper retest because it's a strong zone. And then we take the market. Please, guys, trust me. Don't panic. Trust me with what I'm teaching you. You're going to be profitable. What I'm giving you, guys, it's legit. So let's try to trust me. If you can follow what I'm telling you, guys, you'll be profitable. You'll be profitable, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna pushing until here. You can go back and check the previous analysis. Everything went accordingly. You understand? So what I want us to do is that let's wait for the market, right? Let's wait for it just to continue to push up a little bit, right? And then give us a proper retest. Don't go to 15 minutes or wow, 5 minutes. No. So we're gonna wait for a proper retest here and then push up like this. Right. So yeah, this is it for gold, guys. Please, this is it for gold. So let's go to the last one. So here we have AUDUSD. Right. So it's a very, very interesting pair. As you can see here, guys, we have this. This one. Let's identify it here. We have this, sorry. We have this one. Yeah. Right. The market made a double top here, making it what? A strong resistance. You can call it a strong resistance or a strong area or a strong zone. Right. So this one, we call it about a strong resistance. The market didn't fail to push up. Again, it failed to push up. You understand? So when we are doing this now, so when we're taking this, the market failed to push up. Again, it failed to push up. It went down, right? It missed it a little bit. Then the market pushed up again to this zone and it went down. Do you understand? Then it's a resistance. It's a very, very strong one. That is why the market failed to push up again. Do you understand? So another important thing is to know, right? If you are claiming that the market has a strong area like this one, and you're saying whenever the market approaches this area, it's gonna go down. It's very, very important to check how is the market approaching that strong area. That will be your confirmation. Do you understand that? Let me say I have a strong resistance, right? And then I'm saying when the market approaches the strong resistance, I'm gonna sell the market. You must also check how is the market approaching that strong zone. Is it approaching it with a high momentum or less momentum? That is when reversal patterns comes in. Do you understand? Like this one. We saw that the market now is going to sell on that area. Why? Because we had this pattern, this reversal pattern. So for us, it was easy to take this trade because we have the first touch, right? Second touch, right? Third touch, right? Third touch. All right, we have the first touch, second, third, and we have the fourth touch. As long, meaning the more it touched, the better. Do you understand? So we have more touches here, meaning when the market approaches this area, we already have that confidence and that confirmation that it's going to go down in this area. Do you understand, guys? So it's very, very important if you're saying you're going to buy the market in this area and then ask yourself, how is the market approaching that area? Less momentum, right? Or with a huge momentum. It's very, very important to know that, guys. If it's a huge momentum, then relax. It might break that area and continue. Do you understand? But with this kind of nature, the market, we know that here is definitely going to sell. Do you understand? So let's go straight and see what we have here. So inside this one, we also have what? We have this, another one that confirmed it. This reversal here. We have this reversal here. I want us to focus on. Right. So let's remove this for now. So we have this pattern now. Also, it shows us that the market, when the market gives you a pattern like this, or it gives you a channel like this, just know that the market is losing momentum. Soon, it will change direction. Just know that, be it in 1 hour, 15 minutes, whatever time frame, if the market creates some sort of structure like this, creates certain patterns, just know the market is going to change direction. So what do we have here? So we're waiting for the market now to retest. Remember, after the market breaks a channel, right? Meaning like this, it broke the channel, meaning it must come back to retest. Either it's going to retest the trend line or retest a certain zone. So now you want to see how is the market going to retest, so that you can take the trade. So we want to identify strong areas. Here is it. This is our strong area. This level. Why am I saying it's a strong area? The market was a what here? Got rejected, meaning this zone became what? A resistance. The market created this candlestick. You see this candlestick, this one candlestick, we call this candlestick an order block. It's a very, very strong. When you see a market having this an opposite candlestick among others, just know that area is a very strong area. The market must react to that area. So again, we have this market retesting this level, pushing up, right? Making it what now? A support. Now the market break in again. Now it turned towards again a resistance. So it's a very strong area. And then we also have this area here that we're going to identify this one. Like I say, this one is a very, very strong area because we have what? An order block. So the market, when it came back here, it pushed up. So most of this, it's in terms of most of scalpers love this to trade order blocks because in and out, right? Depending on which time frame you see that order block. So if you see it on a daily time frame, just know you might have 2 days of buying the market or the whole day buying the market, right? So here we had 2 days. So mind you, it gives us a confirmation that the market is going to push up actually to retest this level because remember, this one is our strong area. When the market broke out here, it didn't come back to retest this level. So now, because we have this information, we are concluding and saying the market's going to push up until to this area to give us a retest and then push down. So we must not miss this one, guys. We must not miss this one and then push down to this. Do you see the reward? It's too much. So now let's go and check how can we take the buy. Because we want money, right? We want to trade, guys. We want money. So let's go to H4 and see how we're going to take the buy. Okay, something beautiful here happened. Very, very interesting. Remember, this is our strong zone, right? Then I want us to remove it a little bit so that I can show you. The market reacted here. And creating what? A double bottom. And also a head and shoulder. So let me show you. Let me remove this for now. And let me show you. Okay. This is our double bottom. This one. Okay, let's go to H. I don't think we're gonna see it well in H1. But let's check. Is all right. Seems like it's perfect on H1. So on this, remember this one, here is our strong zone. So the market created what? A double bottom. Form like of what? A W pattern. Double bottom, meaning the market is changing direction towards to buy. Do you understand? So let's go to H4 again. H4, we have this double bottom, and also we have what? We have a head and shoulder, which is this one. This is our head and shoulder. Right? Head, the left hand shoulder, head, come back, the right hand shoulder, then so in this zone, we have a double bottom and also we have a head and shoulder, giving us more confidence and more confirmation that the market is going to buy. Do you understand that, guys? So let's see on H1 so that we can find where we can get our entry. Where we can get our entry. All right, beautiful. Here it is. The market is still playing around in this area. But this is how you can check the market. So this is how we can take the buy today. Just take it here. Because already the market is created, it already touched and it touched the second time. All right. So you can take it from here. Put your stop loss just a little bit under here. Right. And then push up. So we can go to just to 15 minutes and just show you another how you can get an entry. Just go to 15. Sorry. Already 15 minutes, it created what? A double bottom also. So the market is going up. So you can take it here. Take it here. Even if, so your stop loss must be under here. Just a little bit under. Make it 30% here. So that even if the market can come back here, you can just not hit your stop loss, but to continue to go up to that place. So I think, guys, you have learned a lot and the information is helpful. So please, guys, if you want me to trade another pair, please, or you want me to analyze another pair, please comment on this video down below. I would love to analyze because this channel is for you guys. Do you understand? So yeah, your boy Mr. Dynamics FX. Thank you for watching. Remember, mentorship program is available, guys. It's very available. Even if you're an advanced trader or a beginner, it's available. You can join now. It's available. Your boy Mr. Dynamics FX. Thank you for watching. God bless you.